Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of air-purifying houseplants and how they can transform your living space into a haven of clean, fresh air. While we often focus on decluttering and organizing our homes, we sometimes overlook the quality of the air we breathe. Just as we remove items that no longer serve us, we can introduce elements that enhance our well-being. Plants have an amazing ability to purify the air, filtering out harmful toxins and releasing fresh oxygen. In this video, we'll explore 10 remarkable houseplants, supported by NASA research, that excel at this task. Think of each leaf as a tiny, hardworking friend, silently revitalizing your home's atmosphere while adding a touch of nature's tranquility indoors. Let's get started. Introducing the charming spider plant, celebrated for its air-purifying abilities and cascading foliage that mimics a spider's legs. These plants are incredibly easy to care for, making them ideal for beginners. Position your spider plant in bright, indirect light and let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering can cause root rot, so it's better to be cautious. Spider plants thrive in average household humidity, but will benefit from occasional misting, especially during drier months. These resilient plants are known to eliminate toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air, making your home a breath of fresh air. And as an added bonus, spider plants are non-toxic to pets, so your furry friends can enjoy their air-purifying benefits without worry. Next, we have the snake plant, a true champion of air purification and low-maintenance care. These striking plants, with their upright, sword-like leaves, add a touch of modern elegance to any space. Snake plants thrive in a variety of light conditions, from low to bright indirect light. They prefer their soil to dry out completely between waterings, making them ideal for those who tend to forget to water their plants. Overwatering is one of the few things that can harm a snake plant, so it's always better to underwater than overwater. Snake plants excel at filtering toxins like formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and benzene from the air, even at night while you sleep. Their ability to release oxygen during the nighttime hours makes them a wonderful addition to bedrooms, promoting restful sleep. Let's now welcome the peace lily, a vision of elegance with its graceful white blooms and air-purifying capabilities. These plants thrive in low to moderate light conditions, making them ideal for homes with limited natural sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and avoid letting it dry out completely. Peace lilies appreciate a humid environment, so consider placing them on a pebble tray filled with water or misting them regularly. When it comes to air purification, peace lilies are known to remove toxins like formaldehyde, ammonia, and benzene. Their presence can help create a sense of tranquility and improve indoor air quality, fostering a truly peaceful atmosphere in your home. Remember to keep them out of reach of pets, as they can be toxic if ingested. Prepare to be enchanted by the lush beauty of the Boston fern, a plant renowned for its air-purifying abilities and its ability to transform any space into a verdant oasis. These ferns thrive in humid environments with indirect light. To keep your Boston fern happy, provide it with consistently moist soil and avoid letting it dry out completely. Misting the fronds regularly will help replicate the humidity levels they love. Boston ferns are particularly adept at removing formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. They also act as natural humidifiers, adding moisture to the air and creating a more comfortable living environment. Remember to rotate your fern regularly to ensure even growth and light exposure. The healing plant that also cleanses the air. Aloe vera is a beloved succulent known for its medicinal properties. It soothes burns and cuts and acts as a natural air purifier. Place it in bright, indirect light and let the soil dry out between waterings. Avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. Aloe vera removes formaldehyde and benzene, making your home healthier. It's a natural remedy for minor burns and skin irritations. A tropical touch and air-purifying powerhouse. Let's transport ourselves to the tropics with the bamboo palm, a plant that adds a touch of paradise to your home while purifying the air. These palms prefer bright, indirect light and thrive in humid environments. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. They appreciate regular misting to mimic their natural habitat. Bamboo palms remove toxins like formaldehyde and toluene. Their presence creates tranquility and improves air quality. Our next plant is a timeless beauty, the English ivy. Beyond its beauty, English ivy is a powerful air purifier. It thrives in bright indirect light and moist soil. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. English ivy effectively removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. Keep it out of reach of pets as it can be toxic. Now, let's meet the Chinese evergreen, a plant that effortlessly combines low-maintenance care with exceptional air-purifying qualities. These plants are known for their striking foliage, which comes in a variety of colors and patterns. Chinese evergreens tolerate low to moderate light conditions and prefer their soil to dry out slightly between waterings. They are relatively drought-tolerant, making them a good choice for those who tend to forget to water their plants regularly. When it comes to air purification, Chinese evergreens excel at removing toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and trichloroethylene. Their presence can help create a healthier and more breathable environment in your home. Remember to rotate your Chinese evergreen occasionally to ensure even growth and light exposure. Prepare for a splash of color and fresh air with the Gerbera daisy, a plant that enlivens any space with its vibrant blooms while cleansing the air. These plants thrive in bright, indirect light and need consistently moist soil. Water when the top inch feels dry and mist occasionally to boost humidity. Gerbera daisies filter out toxins like formaldehyde and benzene from the air, fostering a healthier environment. They release oxygen at night, enhancing sleep quality. Place in a cooler spot to extend blooms. Our final plant is a statement piece with its large, glossy leaves and air-purifying prowess, the rubber plant. These plants thrive in bright, indirect light and prefer consistently moist but not soggy soil. Water your rubber plant when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch and avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. They appreciate occasional misting, especially during drier months, to increase humidity levels. Rubber plants are known for their ability to remove toxins like formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene from the air. Their large leaves also make them effective at absorbing airborne dust particles, further improving indoor air quality. Remember to rotate your rubber plant regularly to ensure even growth and light exposure. As we wrap up our exploration of these 10 extraordinary houseplants, I encourage you to imagine the positive changes they can bring to your living spaces. Each plant, with its distinct charm and air-purifying properties, provides a practical way to foster a healthier and more balanced home environment. Remember, just as we meticulously clean our physical surroundings, we can also extend that same care to the air we breathe. By inviting these green companions into our homes, we welcome nature's purifying touch to create sanctuaries of clean, fresh air where we can truly flourish. Which of these plants were you already acquainted with, and which ones ignited a new interest? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going about creating homes that bring joy with every breath. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video for more content on air-purifying houseplants.